Yo, Adiachi Bia, Yamamo Akwaba, Edeba, Ghana, Sensem so. No, you're on a different level. What I say? Me and me did medium with Chiami, Midiane, Lapigi, me production members, Richie Flex, Onona, or producing me. Now, my cameraman, and so yeah, the guitar rasta, currency. You pay your Kessio or boy Chidom, Sammy Flex. Yamano, me 3 days. Now, and then in Semono. You best start it. My ninja say no. Me sure say we will be able follow issues also internet so Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Over the American ase. And I will be over me costume way ase. Sisi ano akoye say sisi ade. Obe video caller. I will say usi we nim say ne be ya. Obi an recognize ni pakra oye. Enti no de be di kan no ye de Kenda Pa oye minister edema national security Ghana ha ono na asem ni di bedi kan na no nsem no mo hwe ni ye ye be papa mu ene me de me sekan ya ba ye be papa mu pa na ye dwudwem enti no me knife ni ye be dwudwem na no fork ni spoon ye be di nsem no ye be di ni ye pa wa ha fork and a spoon and a knife cutlery set on Ghana and Sensem so. And Chebia and a leak video be out. I honorable Kandapa, Minister for National Security or Ghana ha. On it is alleged say any side chick and I know any video call. Now here papa penyimu or shady pajamas. Na ababa way e say I can't see your front. I can't see your back. I want to see your front and your back. Na ababa we order papa penyimu say. Na ono so bema kentinkan ogina ho say odonti tokro kito evinti with the hustle for the toto edembeka na papa penyimu igina ono chiachia na ona chese omodo mi hu nkwakra fo omodo say da ji ono pe na omo hu sa di we. Na the amount for can say girl they lose big time chance. Me suma dwuni mu no nka me hu ni say girl no or person blackmail papa no me ma dwuni mu no is either or blackmail no because bia we bisa bibi na papa no person obema no ene bia won papa no won say obetimi release bia the video bi because me to me no ma dwuni mu bi mu no me hu ni say bia papa no girl no won nude videos and as pictures. Inti bi anko the way no ye no won chese surface bi chese or the way boni henya bi na chese papa no say hey girl no chale we tough na we na video na ba beto abonten a ye di hu nkomo ebi nso say oh girl no de oye ne de enye na nyakopo betia ne ka den chale but to me no say me nya chance we bia I no go blow am off me say no bako kra say me nya se dia meti we akomodi mi na me nya mami bi awo you know high level na was sponsor me me see me na ko yibi nti na me the video na we tell bontin be ma jama me yare producer o yes chance me nya sure so be blow chance ni sa nti de can say sisi ano video call no o be ya sake of that bi aseminti na we see we nim Pama bibia ye covered. Inti we ni nko na ehu. Sisi ade akaida for yaba town. Tisi a video call say ya ne be no. O mask na wa hye. Bibia na wa hye say ne be ya. Bibia nko wrong. Na obe yi a ye kan ne ho asemi. Abeto dwa say ni dinde Chantel Kajawu. It is alleged say ni dinde Chantel Kajawu. Ye de ne picture no beto ho na we hu. The amount for can say oye oka MPP loyal ladies ne ho na ono crampo na sponsor ye chese girl no ehye ni pa o bibi na nka wo na we dating minister for several years uniska de ne na chese ofie ye din intini wo ho no
come back.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And okay.
You are leaving tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm leaving tomorrow.
Okay.
So you'll be in Europe for how many days again? I can't see your face.
Because you've decided to take it off your screen.
Oh,
Up
okay.
to Tuesday, Wednesday.
Oh, okay. 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 What are you gonna are you gonna miss me when you're on the flight?
Of course I am.
Okay.
Of course.
What are you wearing now? Let me see.
I'm in the pajamas.
I only see your pajamas. I want to see the front, the back, like the way you did it yesterday with the suit. Oh, it's nice. Nice pajamas. Turn around, let me see it. Is it trouser or shorts?
Trouser.
Let me see the length. Raise your leg. I can't see. Oh, okay, I see. Nice. Wow. What brand is that?
It's Thursday, my here.
Oh, okay, it's nice. Wow. You have good taste. Yeah. Yeah, I see.
How much I wish I could have hugged you.
Aww.
I did that day and it was so nice. It put me to sleep immediately.
A hug from you put you to sleep, eh?
The last time you did to me, didn't it put me to sleep?
It did.
Mm-hmm.
Straight. It put you straight to sleep. What are you drinking?
Water.
Water. Okay. Okay. So, what's the time there?
9:24.
And what time is your meeting?
I'm going down at 10. I'm going to the bath now
Okay.
to have a bath with you.
Okay.
We're going to bath together.
Ish. Okay. That would be some serious bath. When you finish bathing, when you finish dressing up, are you going to call me for me to see what you're wearing? So I approve it.
Great. I'll do
Okay.
that.
All right. So I'll be waiting, babes.
I love you.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
nsɛm no yɛkɔ so yɛbɔ hwii na yɛakɔ Stonebwoy nso aseɛyɛ a ɛyɛ Beam Nation aseɛyɛ na Beam Nation den na ɛsi wɔ hɔ Black City na wakɔpɛ ne ho asɛm ɛna wakɔtwerɛ ɛwɔ Twitter say I am Beam Nation forever. Beam Nation is us and we are Beam Nation. And also to us, so maybe you should say at Black City is existing Beam Nation Music Group. Thank you for my favorite station. Not just say we know or tweet to MC response via Hits FM4 same be omo kafa ne ho na response or the buy no na ye nyina ni mo Ghana ha ye a follow music pan ye nim say oh sisi ade CD agent onye management onye manager biem e de ma Stonebwoy or ye agent menye sure so say still na agent no ejuma no kra still na oguso ye because so head response Stonebwoy so de buy enko yie na Stonebwoy say then Stonebwoy say I think at some point Lucifer actually began to think he created the universe, and even though no sorry let me take it again. I say I think at some point Lucifer actually began to think he created the universe and even thought he was God, but in the end the good God still gave him free rein on earth and he's going about gathering some followers. But if you know God, you know God. And then also or tweeted man Hits FM and also me sure say response to CD. Now followers in any here for me imagine mu no me kind call say okay followers in CC and OV any hobium Kelvin Boy so ni hobium intina is Lucifer ni followers now is or refer Kelvin Boy as a Lucifer, OV as a Lucifer, and CD himself also as a Lucifer. Ye jujum intina also call Twitter now ko share chain of omo tweet now you see what I'm talking about. Yamboshi se hwi also na yenko Fela Makafui ene medical so aseye AMG business aseye na den e ko wo ho simpi na aba na nsem ne de nana ahwefo mo esem muni ensem ka kire na den ne ko de ko wo AMG sisia ene Fela Makafui intem ni se munyina moti rumors a ekose break up then be bebre media me pese me kom bebre. I am sorry, we say I tried one and we na medical and the boss Chris Wado omoko Fela Makafui asiye yese omoko pacho na girl yi nim no me sa break ups na nyama no mo ye me hu ni say a scripted thing. Ade o ma script a o mo pese o mo ye tese o mo pese focus no ball mo so ni sempi tese copy na ye ka se Fela de copy we no your friend is saying girl no come friend simple sister Debbie girl na o copy sister Debbie no na tese eno na me pese o mo ye bibia na o mo de kanta na o mo press ade ni free o bo mo boa nipa na wa copy no costumes or share the blonding of the hair, no, you know, dyeing of hair, you did all of that. Just say, oh, they need a short hair and get long hair. I'm sure saying some cow baby. But never bad so be copy, you know, a copy be one way or the other. But the American say, be scripted breakup be namunye nyama bibi aseni amu mo pese mo sue ya dream from you know copycat things no. And then fa se be fa mama for the media mama because me meaning say ade we any true. Family any true because o last video abakra na or pamo medical na enya o kre ni nimu ase o tamakonya na no de simu ase tamakonya last minute kro mo kokra na ase of far about to be no 2 year ase o kire me ubi ase o ye bibi masa madam embe ye ho gaga bia embe dada yen go medical ase mo pese mo di abindi agro but chale yen o hwe my body kra na I'm not the kid man God no can't play with my mind nigga I don't know de bia mo pese attention mo nko na mako relationship mo ni mama fa ko relationship akese mo de ate na mo di ya de bia Fela o de bia medical o de bia Fela o nana mother inti no video yi ya the video ne be kire mo na mo hwe ni yie na ma hwe say ade we video we scripted and as scripted because hwe kra na the o video ade no kra no baby ogina o video ade no go tim say o ma hyeda e de nipa na gina o so ntwa because enka obi twa no muhu ya obi eni wo oye ade unintentionally na say ohun say obi twa video na be ne de say nipa ni ntwa ohun nipa no pe oba ko gi video camera ni finisem ana so be ka tense on delete ba o hwe we na o hwe o mudimi na o mudi gina ho ni bibia de o mo ye ni nyina masa planting it's medical show musu yi na sade we de emfa ati ase emfa o pese attention ni ba also na unya artist of the year yenim say why juma be no ntwe say obeye sade we ni de bia be ka ho asem boni san ase na oni Fela break up e de be no inhwenim be no na me kan say mo emfa nche baby e wo omo nsensemi ya ho say obehwe a me the screenshot ni be kire mu Fantana oye your friend is saying Rough Town Records artist sa lady we ekotro bibi e wo on Instagram page e mo post is the same thing e wo Facebook e no say he wants to break up with his girl because of me and na odi picture fefe bi tu ho ase o she bikini bi odi ato say he wants to break up with his girlfriend because of me. I mean that Fantana no. It's you know I say among friends who relate because or post this picture we or mass cash no and chebia na sa ntonta we as rumors ne so ba mu kakra. Into the ebisa say medical they chew Fantana or medical won't go out with Fantana and I say no na Fela ehu a or ka say sisi ade me hu se unia mama chances be brave na say who blow chances no away intini bibie du ne de ye say insult approach no ogiden wo inti bia afi na Fela ehu sa afi de wo so oje wo It's no yeah the screenshots in the beto na no so mo so mahwe mani so na mo read meanings into it na ya hwe sedia nyama ekono ye beto aso na yakọ efi odo nso akachi na efi odo se de efi odo abe plastic bloggers me nka say bloggers because one more bloggers din but ye nim say bloggers are na taka no ho asem or the videos no ebeto ho a na say o ye ni nsem na eno a nti efi odo se de efi odo se nti ye ka no ho asem a ye mbre efi odo o se ye ka no ho asem a ye mbre o se ye ka no ho asem a eno na discover no e ma na ye popular more but efi odo me so me catch up say enye nudity na ba beto na be more popular onyuma pa ene de obeko hwe matankoma hwe Jackie Apia hwe other colleagues a oni omu was a movie and presentation industry ni mu say omumu hwan ino yiyi ne hu etise wo but they are still making waves omu nyomu din sika no mu obi umpo also yiyi hu na o kasem say the more we talk about you the more awunye sika no one so in the video no sanka say usika mbaye na usika ba yenye be hu dia obe kire wo Ghana ha na te say usika no ground ni bi e na osan boyichi o say ye sign insult wa mistakes in kwan here typing error e wo wiase o type ya o dwen say o de wa type at the papa but the moment I be posting no e kire ansa na o say oh tan so de untimi edit je o delete nti obi o e ni ha so obe delete na I say woman wo ho sa eno che say nipa na bon but typing error and aba na sa inti na me wa adwen say bia nudity no and the more you talk about me the more I'm come to show my no for insusa tangerine one how can one how can say tangerine breast and nyankopon dem ma na no for yi a yi kra ye hu ne flat chest to insu a o dey fan say bibi kakra wo eno dey I will pardon you for that and because the way na I say o to e kick kakra wo mpa no say me say chale wan kasa o ye guy but no nche say o so yi hu sa emfa o yi hu asa na e beto o hwe sister Fia is very talented or vocal power or to nyuma ede but I say the way or dey ne hu or presenting ne hu ma yen e wo industry ni musa ne enso ye to no nti sisi asa ye pay attention to her music because ni body ni nko na sisi ayehwe because body na na o de kire yen so nti sister o pese o ya de papa ema wabrabo ni gine yi ampacho nudity ni twaso na ye dia ese na fata se oba esi aketesi ya kata husie won kata husie se poano na wo na se bikini level ayi ni se dware uko dware po ana swimming pool a unfa jalabia se enkonko dware po ana unfa pyjamas enko dware po ye nim say o de bikini never go. So ye that one no e wo poolside and seaside beach ye nim say fine that one there it's acceptable. But yes obey na we try pictures keke videos keke na o de gina bonti na o de emfa sister emfa.
Me na actually we say emfa mo ho ben. So me check out about picture say emfa mo ho ben. The more you guys talk about how naked I am, the more I'm gonna get naked. I'm gonna show some titties. I'm gonna get my breasts and go show some titties. I'm gonna show some ass. I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna do all of this. Oh, I'm gonna do more. Because your words don't touch the surface of my skin. You guys are wasting your time. But enjoy wasting your time. Because I ain't motherfucking gonna change for shit. If anything, I'm gonna get more popping. I'm gonna get more money. And then you guys are really gonna see who the fuck Efiodo is. Me see can name by but I mean see can hey. Mbu de me de be mo. Cause I say I don't mo break. E bi ana mo di obi atema. And I didn't so no like it doesn't even bother me. You guys, you even make spelling mistakes in your insults. I have to correct your insults for you. Which kind of notice be that?
Now last one I did you know. Yeah, call funny post and a funny video so na funny post ni funny videos no ababa will be a friend no Vasmin Morgan and ono so abetwiti wo dia ababa we or the year Kandapa honorable Kandapa dia or the year no ono dia anyene de na we dig na tempa say identity esa na ni Facebook we no post no say Krasini ba uncivilized side chick. Now I'm calling my sugar daddy. Safe, he's not picking up. what will I eat tomorrow? In the emoji also eto not to say Chantel akugudwa. Alleged lady near friend Chantel no. Wakugu obidwa. Nti si ana ase sugar daddy sisi ayen ye de yehu sie. Yehu muani ayese. Yehu muani ayese. Sisi aye de yehu sie. Sisi ano. O frɛ yen a. Ye beka try say meet and greet. Shia me wa ha. Na yen kodi nkomo. Siska na me de mema wa. Me hwe ha. Obi amba me hwe beti na me hwe menima. Obi amba na kyese mama o kakra. Efianu bi a me hwe ha. Na me sima no si ano mama o kesi no. Na aye ne sa. Sisi ano sugar daddies ne side chicks dey see ade ne ya na cover your face. Ninja level. Ene de mo be twi na se ye no mo be twi pa. Sa ne be no. Ne be wie cry shatabando. Akwa we dey ne ho semu sada. Recently or the picture bi abeto o she gown as a or a doctor. Na chese o de nyamanyama egu ne kon a chese akwa we dey chese ade okoye surgery and I say okoye ni patient. Eno na nchen ni video bi aba out a oko gym. Me am gina we me ni body say am etimi akọ gym. Me dem lazy pa in gym. Ba o hwe akwa we a gina ne kitchen a o gym a o de nyoma to ase a na efe keke. O we na fe de auto ni sa no chese utim say ase boxing level bi ase auto no ah chale efe ye the video ne beto on no ma hwe say manya time munya mre na ma hwe say jumedi Ghana sensem so ni me a medi jumedi mu chia me di ane lapiji me senior producer Richie Flex and me cameraman so ye digital rasta your friend currency na ye penyin kesi edi ne Sam Flex ono na o ma jumedi ni nyina e ba so my edamase se munya mre ahwe jumedi that's ene ye be share bio cover your face to avoid problem.